What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to my channel and checking out yet another video. Tonight's review, I don't know whether to describe it as a tool of the trade or a product. We're going to talk about it here after we come back. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for joining me in another video review. As you can see in the title, this is called the Beard Balm Brush. Gentleman was kind enough to send me the balm brush and 1 ounce of oil. This is probably the most unique thing I've reviewed since I've started reviewing products, and I gotta say I was really impressed. How it came, how they got it like it is. I know there's plenty of reviews out there, and it's just a really neat concept. And I think if the gentleman keeps up with it, it'll eventually, everybody's gonna have one in their bathroom. Before we get into the review, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell for future uploads. The Beard Balm Brush. Is it a tool or is it a product? Presentation was really nice when I got this. The owner had sent me a nice little note. It's, Patrick, thank you for reviewing our unique brushes. It is an honor that you would consider us. I hope that you love them. Jordan. Jordan being the owner, of course. Like I said, Jordan sent me the balm brush and 1 ounce oil and the Paul Bunyan scent. Of course, we'll go over the oil first, and this was a unique oil for me. It's in a clear bottle. It's called Paul Bunyan. 1 ounce bottle, like I said. The only thing about the clear bottle is the sun will get to it. It won't last as long as it would in an amber dropper top bottle. But that's okay, because where I store my oils, it's in a dark spot, and it's normally about 30 below in my bedroom. So the ingredients in this oil is jojoba oil, avocado oil, olive oil, argan oil, cedarwood oil, lavender oil, balsam fir oil, lemon oil, and pine oil. Basically a lumberjack in a bottle, as I like to say. The consistency of this oil is a little on the medium side. It's got just a tint of green. And when you open this bottle, the first thing you get is the cedarwood and the balsam, and it's like a punch. It's a pretty strong scented oil, but it changes after you warm it up. When I use this oil, created a nice coating over my beard, gave it a nice shine. How did I describe this? This was grab my chainsaw, grab my axe, walk out the door, go to the nearest forest, woods, and just start cutting down trees oil. And that's a nice, strong scent. I get about 7 hours out of this oil. You put it in the beard, like I said, it went nice in the beard, nice shine. You definitely felt like a lumberjack wearing this. This was a really nice oil to wear. And that was the Paul Bunyan oil. You did a really good job on this, Jordan. I really like this. Actually, I used up a good bit of it. On the next, of course, is the Beard Balm Brush. I know there's plenty of reviews out there. This is a unique brush. There's the top of the box, and of course it's patent pending. I don't see them having a problem getting a patent for this. This is a really unique brush. The ingredients in the balm brush is beeswax, shea butter, coconut, palm kernel, olive, jojoba, argan, cedarwood, lavender, pine, and lemon. And made in a facility where nut products may be present. So the nut allergies, of course. And what what I liked most about this is I've used it several times, and it don't lose its shape. It stays pointed, and if you guys haven't seen this, then obviously you haven't been around. This, my friends, is the Beard Balm Brush, and it's such a unique product. And the scent, it's the same as the oil, just little less potent, and it works. It really does work. This is I think, my opinion, this is a genius idea. The one thing that I would change about this, if you can integrate some kind of plastic handle into this to where you're not touching the brush at all, because I mean, you got to figure on, on warm days, in your house or wherever you're at, and you're sitting there brushing your beard with it, you're gonna get a little bit of product on your hands, and that's fine. That's totally fine. It's not really a con, but like maybe integrate something, a couple of rings to where you can sit there, And as many times as I use this, like I said, it has not lost its shape. Just a really, really cool, neat, unique product. And the firmness of it is about a medium to strong. Because when I use this, I'll just go ahead and use it now. I mean, you can feel the what's the word I'm looking for? The retention as you're going through your beard with this. You can feel it pulling on your beard. It's a really, really genius idea. That's my opinion. And I think you should keep making these products without a doubt. And like, I have a little bit of oil in my beard because I knew I was going to do this, and it doesn't lose its shape. I mean, it's just incredible. It's crazy. Probably the coolest thing I've ever reviewed on my channel. And and you can feel the product in it. Oh, sorry, I just bumped you guys. You can feel the product in it, and like I said, it's a medium to firm hold for me. And the only thing that gets on your hands and you can't barely see is just a little bit of product, and you can rub that on your arms. Jordan, brother, keep making these, keep doing your thing. It almost reminds me of a pineapple. But keep doing your thing, man. This is a great idea. It's perfect if you're running late like me. I'm running late constantly. And this, you have this laying out, you grab it, boom, 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 and you're done. Put it back down, walk out the door, you're set. Grab your comb that's in your back pocket, brush it through, and you're done. That's it. So this is a great product. If you haven't used the balm brush, you guys gotta check this out. It's really, really cool. I'll link all of Jordan's information down in the description box below. Overall presentation, a 5-star. I mean, great products. Even the look of the logos, it's got that Paul Bunyan lumberjack type look. Scents, 5-star again. Just overall presentation and scent, performance, everything. It gets a 5 stars from me. I think it's a great idea that you've come up with here, and I think you should, like I said, keep making it, keep pushing it out to consumers. The only thing that I can think of to do differently is just maybe put a couple rings there, where you can just pick it up, brush through real quick, and you're done. That's just my opinion. I would definitely recommend this to give it a shot. And I think the brush is $19.99, $20, and you get a great product. Thank you, Jordan, for sending me your products. I appreciate it. I really enjoyed using them. I'm going to keep using them. Thank you guys for sticking around for another product review. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell to keep up with my videos. Until the next one, guys, peace.